Making money with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript involves leveraging your web development skills to build projects, offer services, or generate passive income. Here are some ways to monetize your coding skills. Freelancing. Offer web development services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Create custom landing pages, websites, or UI components for clients. Specialize in responsive design or JavaScript animations to stand out. Building and selling website templates. Design and sell HTML or CSS or JavaScript templates on marketplaces like TeamForest or Creative Market. Develop templates for businesses, portfolios, or e-commerce stores. Creating web apps. Build small tools or JavaScript-based applications and monetize them with ads, subscriptions, or one-time purchases. Use React, Vue, or vanilla JavaScript to create interactive web apps. Blogging and online courses. Start a tech blog teaching HTML, CSS, and JavaScript and monetize it with ads and affiliate links. Create video tutorials on YouTube or sell courses on Udemy, Gumroad, or Teachable. Working as a front-end developer. Apply for remote or full-time jobs as a front-end developer.